8 from section 6.6. Wanted to know if you're investing $1,000, I have that right here, $1,000, that's the principal in the PERT formula, and you want it to become 2,500, that's the A, the amount that we're trying to reach. The base is E, the rate is unknown, we're going to solve for that. And how much money would we have after 10 years? The reason I knew to use this formula is because it said it was compounded continuously. If the money was compounded monthly or any other increment, you would use this old formula from earlier in this chapter. Okay? So that would be if it's monthly, N would be 12. Weekly, 52. Daily, 365 for N in those two places. So here's the formula we have. We're going to begin by dividing both sides by 1,000 to get the E by itself. And you should get 2.5 equals E to the 10R. It says R times 10. I'm just going to flip them around and call that 10R. At this point, it's just like solving any equation where you have, we've done problems like, for example, 8 equals 3 to the x. How would you find x? You'd do log base 3 of equals x, and you'd evaluate it on your calculator. So it's the same idea here because the variable is in the exponent. So it's going to be log base E, I'll rewrite that in a minute, of 2.5 equals the exponent 10R. So when you're trying to solve for the variable in any of these problems, this is really why logs were introduced, why logs were invented, I suppose, is to solve for the missing variable. Now, when it's log base E, that's more commonly known as ln. This is built into every calculator. ln, the natural log of 2.5. Do that on your calculator, and then divide by 10, and you'll get the R. And I think it comes out to like 0.09. Double check that. Okay, 0.0916. So that means that he would have to find a bank that offers what % interest? If R is 0.09, he'd have to have a bank that offers 9% interest, which is not likely to happen. Okay? Most banks offer interest rates much lower than that.